we are given to subtract 38 from 73. So as a whole you can see that 73 is greater than 38. So 38 can be subtracted from 73. But when we go by our normal procedure, that is subtracting, by starting with ones place, you can see that this 3 is less than 8. So how can we subtract or proceed towards subtracting problems like this? Let me pictorially define this minuend, that is 7 tens and 3 ones. This is basically equal to 7 tens and 3 ones. On the other hand, the subtrahend means 3 tens and 8 ones. To solve problem like this, what we do? We can borrow 1 10 from the tens place to the ones or units place. So this will become 1 10 and 3, that is 13. So what if I borrow from 7 1 10? So this 3 will become 13. So now from 13 we will subtract 8. If you subtract 8 from 13, so here you have got as a whole 13 small blocks. So if we can subtract 8, 1, let me change color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now let us check. We are left with how many number of small blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are left with 5 blocks, or the smallest blocks or the ones blocks. So we are left with 5 ones blocks. So this gives us 5 ones. So here you see we have carried 1 10 to the ones place. So we are left with 6 tens. Here again you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are left with 6 tens, and out of that we have to subtract 3. So 6 is greater than 3. Yes, we can subtract. So let us cut down 3 tens from 6. 1, 2, 3. So we are left with only 3 tens blocks. 3 tens. 3 tens and 5 ones. So we can write 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 3 tens and 5 ones, or simply we can write 35. So I hope you have understood the essence of regrouping, or the essence of, or the meaning of carry. Why we carry and what is the real fundamental behind this carry. This is another example of subtraction with regrouping. Here we are going to do the operation with 3-digit numbers. So here it is given 352 minus 279. 352 is represented with the blocks over there in the left hand side, and we have to subtract 279. As a whole, first of all, we can see that 352 is greater than 279. So as per our tradition, we start the subtraction from ones place on the very right hand side, 2 minus 9. But 2 is less than 9. So what we need to do? We need to carry 1 10 to the ones place, and therefore this 2 ones will become 1 tens and 2 ones, that is 12. That is to say, I have carried this 10 to the units place, and this becomes 1 tens and 2 ones, and this is same as saying 12. So out of these 12 we will subtract 9 small bars. So let us do that. 9 small bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have cut 9 bars. So now we are left with how many bars? 1, 2 and 3. We are left with 3 ones. So we can write here in the ones place 3. As we have taken 1 10 from 5 tens, so we are left now with 4 tens. You see over here we are left with 1, 2, 3 and 4 tens. Here in the tens place also you can see that 7 is greater than 4. So it's not possible to subtract directly over here. We need to take carry from the 100 place. So this will become 104 tens. So we will take this 100 from the hundreds place and take it to the tens place. So as a whole it will become 104 tens. And from 104 tens we need to subtract 7 tens. So we will subtract 7 tens. Please look carefully over here. 1 bar is equivalent to, one total bar has got 10 ones. Therefore, one column is equivalent to 1 tens. So if I cut 1 tens or one particular column, it is equivalent to cutting or removing 1 tens. So we need to remove or take away 7 tens from 14 tens. Here you see I am telling you again and again, 104 tens. This is what is there in the tens place. This is same as saying 14 tens. So you see this 104 tens is equal to 14 tens, as because here you have got 10 tens and here you have got 1, 2, 3 and 4 tens. So 14 tens minus 7 tens. So if you cut out or remove 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Change the color. So you are left with how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these pink ones are the remaining columns over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with 7 tens. So simply you can say 14 minus 10 is 7. So 7 tens and 3 ones. So now as because we have taken 1 hundreds from 3 hundreds, so we are left with how many hundreds? We are left with 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds minus, we have to take away again 2 hundreds from here. So if you remove these 2 hundreds, you are left with nothing, that is equal to 0. So this is equal to 7 tens or 3 ones, which is same as saying 73. If our videos and website www.decodemonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.